Hello once again, David Jones here, your friendly marketer, and in today's video I am doing a Talk Fusion tutorial video, and this time I'm going to show you how you would add contacts to your contact manager. So I'm just going to log in here. This is the Talk Fusion suite. You log in here, and as you log in, what you're going to do, you're going to click on your product dashboard. When you click there, that's going to take you to the product suite where you access your products depending on the level or the package that you own with Talk Fusion. So here in my product dashboard, I'm going to go to the contact manager. That's the subject of our tutorial today, the contact manager. I'll click on contact manager, and what we're doing here basically is we're showing you how to add contacts to your contact manager. This is so that when you've done a video email and you're ready to send it out, you just click on contacts and it'll bring up the list of contacts that you have, and then you can easily select your contact from there. Now you can add a contact or you can add a group. I'm going to add a contact, so I click the button here, add contact. A form will appear on the screen. It'll ask you if you want to import more than one contact at a time, import a list. Well, we are only doing a contact at this stage, so I'm going to click a name. I'm going to put my name, because what I want to do is I want to right, so I've put my name. I've also included an email. This is what I want to add, and you can also add a phone number. Right? This phone number is not correct, however. That's the wrong number. So I'm going to take this out. I can put 24684584558. That's my number there. And then once you have done that, you just click add. And there in the top corner, you see it says here, success, contact added successfully. And if you were being observant, you'll notice here I had 60 contacts, now I have 61. So basically, that's how you add a contact to your contact manager. Alright? So that is, like I said, the other aspect is if you wanted to add a group, you can also add groups in one suite if that's what you want to do. Now before I close this tutorial, let me go back to adding contacts, because when I clicked to add a contact just now, you will notice that when the box shows, it asks you if you want to import more than one contact. Well, let's assume you wanted to import a list. Let's say you had an email list and you wanted to bring that list over to add to your contact. Well, what you do, you click here, import a list. When you click import a list, this is what it says. It says drop the CSV file here or click to upload. And it says here only CSV files are supported. And it tells you the first row contains field name. So what you do is you can drag and drop your CSV file here, or you can click to upload. It'll allow you to upload the CSV file, and then you just follow the prompts that are on the screen that you are told to do, and that is how you would add a list or import a list and bring an email list over if you want and add it to your contact manager. So I hope you got value from this video. I hope you understand now how to add your contacts so that you can start using your video emails and sending them out. Have people see what they're all about, get excited, and then they'll be coming after you, wanting to know how you did that, where did you get that lovely product from, and this will open you then to creating not only better relationships, but certainly increasing your sales and your ROI. So thank you for watching. This has been David Jones. We were looking today at how to add contacts to your contact manager. Tune in again soon where I'll have another tutorial video for you. Have a great day. Have a great week sharing Instant Pay the TalkFusion way. Over and out.